Message.
I know that's right and never ever wrong.
Evening, y'all. I know I have not done a hair video in I don't know how long, but in today's video I am working with LavyHair. The hair came in this bag, of course, and inside was the wig, some wig caps, hair instructions, tips, their social media, and all that good stuff. And as you can see here, the hair is a Brazilian 22-inch highlighted lace frontal wig. As you can see, it's pretty plucked. It's giving very much bleach knots as well. It came with about 4 to 5 combs, and this hair is Loose Deep Wave, I believe. I don't think y'all have ever seen me with like a curly type texture with highlights, so this is gonna be my first time doing this one. It came with the part already, and yeah, this is what it's giving. We're gonna go ahead and get into the install. I'm going back to back with wigs, so I just took one off, so now I have to lay my hair back down. I'm going in with some water, some Sweetie Edge Control, and I'm gonna apply it all around the perimeter of my head just to get those baby hairs stuck in place so they won't get cut off by accident when I apply the wig cap. I went in with some curl elastic. I have no idea where y'all can find that, but y'all can Google it. I think my sister gave me that. But yes, now I'm going in and brushing it all back, making sure the baby hairs are going back as well and are in place, because you do not want to lose any baby hair. That's the big thing with lace fronts. So yeah, now I'm pinning that back, and I'm going to eventually, you'll see me braiding it down, and I'm gonna tie it, wrap it around and tie it into a bun and leave that there, since I don't know how to do cornrows. It also brings volume to curly hair. But yes, now I'm going in with the wig cap. I believe it came with 2. Make sure your baby hairs are all the way back before applying, and then you can go straight in and apply it over the forehead, over the ears. Push it back to push back any flyaways that came up front, and do not forget this step to cut out the ears, just so it can mold better and stay in place and it won't shift. So you just cut holes and bring out the ears. Then you go in with some 𝐏𝐷𝐻 spray and a spray along the perimeter of your head, just like we did the edge control. And this, I believe I left on for about 30 minutes plus, because you really want that to dry. Or you can use a blow dryer, but I didn't. My blow dryer was downstairs and I didn't feel like going to get it. So yeah, I left that on for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going in and cutting the ears, and then I'm going to go in and directly cut in the middle and then along the perimeter of my head. I don't really focus too much on the sides, just simply because I end up cutting more off anyways, because I blend my real hair in with the wig. So yeah, I just mainly focused on the forehead, cutting a straight line across just to get that perfect hairline. You know, everybody's hairline is different, so it depends on you. Y'all see mine, it's kind of like I have a widow's peak or something, and yeah, so I have to cut more off and blend my baby hairs in with the baby hairs on the wig. So therefore I only focus on the forehead, and then I go in with some 𝐏𝐷𝐻 gel and apply that along the perimeter also, just to seal down those little pieces that's lifting up. And after you get the gel from ear to ear, not missing any pieces, you can go straight in. I recommend you try the wig on before doing this, but I just been doing this for a cool minute, so I know what I'm doing. But I just simply just apply the wig while the gel is still wet, tacky, whatever, and then I go in with a little mini comb and make sure all the flyaways are back so that it won't get stuck in the glue. Then I proceed to scoot the wig up more and more, making sure it's on top of my hairline, on top of the wig cap hairline. Actually, as you can see on the sides, my baby hairs are coming out, but like I said, I'm gonna cut that off so it don't matter. And then I'm gonna tie it up, and I left that on for probably 30 minutes to an hour. Really depends on you, but yeah, I wanted it to be completely sealed, so I left that on. Now I'm going in and brushing the texture through to bring more volume to the hair, and as y'all can see, it's very much giving density. Yeah. But yes, I'll be back in about 30 minutes. It's good to do this part so that your real texture can come through.
A few inches later.
Alright, once your 30 minutes is up, you can go ahead and remove the head scarf. You know it's done. You know it's dried completely when the head scarf sticks to your head. But now I'm going in and back with the little comb and brushing it out some more, making sure no hairs are sticking, no hairs are crunchy. And then I'm going to cut the lace in 3s based on my head. So y'all see me do one in the middle and one in each corner. Then I just cut that all across. That's very easier to do versus trying to get it from ear to ear, you know. So now I'm just cutting off the extra. Then I'm going to go in and cut it based on my hairline. As y'all can see, my baby hairs are showing through the lace. So in a cool little minute, y'all will see me get some water and cut that extraness off. And don't forget to cut around the ear if the wig is too big for you. It's okay to cut off that little amount of hair so that it can fit better and it won't be itchy on the ears. So yeah, now y'all see me going in and doing the extra, getting it off my baby hairs. I did indeed have to go in with some water and spray it to loosen it up. That's the good thing about got2b gel. It comes up with water because y'all know I don't keep them on long. So yeah, spray that and then cut off the extra lace that's on top of my baby hairs. Don't get in your ears or eyes like I do all the time. And then make sure your hairline is straight. Then you can go in and bring out some baby hairs. I just bring out a little on the sides. I don't do the extra. And then I take some scissors, pin it up, take some scissors and cut diagonal. And do the same thing to the other side before swooping them. When swooping them, I put got2b gel on top, brush it down, and then do a swoop, just like I do on my natural hair. And also make sure the swoops on each side are even. Then after you get them how you want them, I did go in with some more gel and apply it on the top to lay that back down. On the sides, wherever it's lifting at or wherever it's extra lace at, I just apply got2b gel on top of it. Make sure the baby hairs are perfect and matching each other. Then I just apply the headscarf back, tie it real tight so it won't move. Just for about 30 minutes. And then after that, you can go in, take the clips out, etc., etc. Make sure your part is straight. Get some got2b spray, spray it more if you need to. After I get my part straight, I go in with some eyeshadow and apply it to the top. This is really not needed if you don't want an extra part, but I did, and it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give without the eyeshadow that I like. So yeah, I make sure my part is straight. Then I went in with some got2b spray and lay down the top. I know you can use a hot comb, but I don't like to use mine because it doesn't get it as straight as I want, and it doesn't stay down. I don't like my part poofy and my hair poofy at the top, so that's why I spray got2b spray instead of using the hot comb. And then I'm going to go in with some water and begin styling the hair. I'm going to soak it completely to lower the volume a little bit. Then I'm going in with the brush to bring out the texture more with the water. Add more water if you need to, and I did pluck the part a little bit because it was giving straight, just a little. And now you see me figuring out what I wanted to do to this hair. I sprayed some more got2b spray, trying to figure out what it needed. And y'all know whenever I can't get the top of my curly hair wig straight, I do comb it for a while with got2b spray and then leave the combs in there so it can mold. So that's what y'all see me doing here. And while I have those combs in, I did go in and apply some more water. And in a second, you'll see me go in with some Camille Rose curl maker, because I recommend using mousse, but I didn't have any more, so I used the stuff that I use on my natural hair, which is some Camille Rose curl maker. And after soaking the hair some more, it locks in the texture. And yeah, this is what it's giving wet. So now I'm gonna go in and do my makeup while I wait for this to dry. Alright y'all, my eyes started watering while I was in my makeup, so I need to or whatever, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna take pictures. I'm probably gonna change the hairstyle tomorrow and post more pictures, so y'all stay tuned and follow me on Instagram down below, because I'm back posting on Instagram. Well, I used to post before I got on YouTube every day on Instagram, and that's why my followers was up, but I started a new page when I did YouTube and I wasn't on the internet as much. So yeah, we back on the popping because I in the bag. So yeah, this hair right here is from LavyHair. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. This is their Brazilian highlighted 130 density human hair loose deep wave, and as y'all seen, it was pre-plucked from ear to ear, link down below. 22-inch. I know some people be wanting them extra deep. Yeah, this style is a little bit too plain for me, so I might end up changing the style. I can also see it on my Instagram. I rate this hair 8.5. So if you guys are interested in this hair, make sure you click the link down below. I can't really see myself because I don't have my glasses on, but y'all let me know what it's giving. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Leave comment suggestions down below. Instagram, follow all my socials right here. And like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment suggestions.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
Nah, I forgot. TF, ... I'm out this bitch.